In this video, we're going to draw the Lewis structure of H₂O, water. I like to take the atoms that are in the molecule that we're drawing the structure of and draw the electron dot notation. Hydrogen is a group 1 element, and so it's going to have one valence electron. So since it has one unpaired electron, it is going to make one bond with other atoms. Oxygen is a group 16 element, and so it's going to have 6 valence electrons. So we're going to draw the electron dot structure of that. Remember, the valence electrons do not pair until the 5th electron, so electrons 5 and 6 are going to be paired. And these two electrons right here are unpaired, so the unpaired electrons are going to be the ones that are bonding. For H₂O, we need to determine which one is the central atom, and the hydrogen is always on the outside. So anytime you see hydrogens, they'll always be on the outside, so oxygen must be our central atom. So I'm going to redraw our electron dot notation of oxygen. And then we have 2 places where it needs to be bonded with another atom. Since we have 2 hydrogens, each hydrogen will share one of its electrons to form that bond. So this is the electron dot structure of H₂O, but what we need is the Lewis structure. And so whenever we draw Lewis structures, we are going to replace the electrons that are in a bond with a line, and that's going to represent those 2 electrons in a bond. When we do Lewis structures, we also need to display the electrons that are not participating in a bond. And so I have those drawn there, and then we're going to have our hydrogens connected just like that. And that is how we draw the Lewis structure of H₂O. If you want to double check to make sure we fulfilled the octet rule, remember the lines count for 2 electrons, and so let's count them. Oxygen should have 8. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hydrogen is happy with 2, and you can see each hydrogen has only 1 line, so they both have 2. Alright guys, if you found this video valuable, would you consider commenting, or subscribing? If you have any questions, or if you would like to see a certain lesson, put it in the comment section below. Until next time, have a nice day, and keep on learning.